Hello guys and welcome back to another video. In today's video we're going to take a look at Freaks NFT, which is a brand new NFT project with loads of cool features. Obviously nothing I say on this channel is financial advice, so always go away and do your own research before investing any of your own money. Without further ado, let's jump into today's video. So first of all guys, jumping across to freaks.club. As always, it's linked down below in the description if you want to go and find out more about this after the video. Let's take a look at what this NFT is all about. So it's a 4,444 non-fungible token product on the Ethereum blockchain. 4,444 is kind of on the smaller side when it comes to NFT projects, but that's not necessarily a problem. I tend to look for anything sort of over 5,000 up to around 10,000, but that doesn't mean that 4,444 isn't a problem. That doesn't make 4,444 a problem, especially during a bear market. Actually, it's probably more sensible to have a slightly smaller number. The price is initially going to be about 0.23 Ethereum. Obviously, Ethereum price moving all the time right now, so that could be anywhere from about $200 to $300. And the mint date is to be confirmed. So what we're going to do is show you the socials, etc., and where you can follow along to see what's going on with this particular project. Freaks are ready to break out of old patterns and explore the metaverse. We are committed to providing the necessary tools, information, and daily updates for you to explore the metaverse and make the most of it in all the best possible ways. Here you can see some of the kind of cartoon imagery associated with this particular project. The Freaky Lumpers is a unique and exclusive. So each of these characters is called like a Freaky Lumper, and each of them has their own characteristic attributes and special benefits to the owner. Their goal is in the metaverse to bring joy, happiness, success to the freaks. But be careful, they also hide a very dark side. Now before we jump down and look at Freakland and all the other exciting things, let's take a look further into the story. It's important when we look at NFT projects that there is some sort of a story behind the project, and the more captivating that story, the more likely the project is of having success. So the legend has it that they all were once giants amongst the population, filled with love, honor, and positivity. The love was so vast and overwhelming that it shifted the world's paradigm due to their positive impact on society. They all gathered so much power, but eventually the Freak Masters took over, absorbed too much power from them, and left them all with a dwarfish curse, which is now starting to act up again. Today, in order for the Lumpers to lift up the curse and go back to the original aspects, they have to pledge restore the positiveness and happiness for all the Freak Masters as they once did. So all this sort of information probably plays into the story a little bit. Down below you've got Freakland, or the map showing here of all the different like islands and different lands. The artwork's actually kind of cool, quite simplistic, but you've got lots of different imaginative areas like Alcatraz or Alcatraz in this situation, the Shark Cave, Wild West, the Fro Coffee Shop, much more. And by holding the Freak NFT, you'll be entitled to receive daily Freak tokens, which will help you to save money when you spend it on Freaksland, which will be coming soon. Freaksland obviously above. Needless to say, as our brand expands and the universe grows, new experiences will be available to our collectors. And then coming down below, you can mint up to 3 per wallet, obviously including gas fees, but since the Ethereum upgrade, etc., gas fees have started to decrease, so that should be less of a problem for you. Here are some of the images or some of the NFTs on the left hand side, which look pretty cool and sort of potentially could do quite well, and potentially if you get enough numbers in to support the project, could be potentially something that people are interested in. You can see in terms of the roadmap, you got the project launch. Holders will then claim their Freaky Lumpers, airdrop a Freak tokens to all holders, and then allow holders to access Freakland. Freaks merge. Holders with 2 Freaks will be able to merge them together to create a unique and super rare NFT. Coming down below, you can meet the team here. Now obviously I like to see a team with at least some sort of socials around it, like Twitter, LinkedIn, etc., so I can go and check out who these individuals, because when there's no like names, etc., associated with them, it can be a little bit for concern. So always go away and do your own research if you're investing any of your own money. We've got a Discord here. Will Freaky Lumpers be revealed right away? So coming down below guys, you've got FAQ. There is a Discord if you want to go and check out the Discord so you can get amongst the community, you can ask questions, and maybe you can go and find out more about who the team really are. Coming across to the Twitter guys, you can see that there will be whitelist spots coming soon. There's also various other information available on their Twitter, so make sure you go to the link down in the description, get across to their Twitter, and you can find out more. There's various other socials that you can get in touch. There's various other socials like Instagram, TikTok, where you can go find out more information about Freaks NFT and see whether or not it's something that you might be interested in investing in. Pay attention to these projects once they sort of hit around 5,000 to 10,000 followers, because they can start to explode really quickly, especially as they start to announce whitelist spots and giveaways on how they can grow the community in order to get yourself a whitelist spot. So in summary, Freaks NFT is a collection of 4,444. This is a unique style of NFT that I haven't really seen before, and it comes with kind of like a cool story, etc. that could drum up a bit of a following if they play it right going into the future. Obviously guys, everything I've said is found in the links down below in the description, so if you want to go and check out the website, the Twitter, and much more, then head across to that now. If you enjoyed today's video, guys, make sure you smash the thumbs up button for the YouTube algorithm. Thanks very much for doing that. And if you're new to the channel and you want to learn more about NFTs, crypto, Web3, and much more, then make sure you subscribe to be kept up to date with all of the latest happening. Thanks for watching, guys. I'll see you soon with another video. Bye bye.